Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here right here in our new studio, which I know you want to know about these bookshelves, and we bought 3 sets of these bookshelves to build this studio. I get none of the accolades for the design. It is totally Nikki that she has decorated like this, but I think it looks fabulous. But I have built more furniture than you could ever possibly imagine. I'm the guy in the family and in the office who always has to assemble everything. I really want to talk to you about the quality of these shelves because they are absolutely incredible. Okay, so the hardware here, let's show you a little bit of B-roll. So the hardware is really amazingly good. Totally not your normal Amazon level quality and definitely on par, if not a little better than some of the IKEA hardware that I've seen. It was so cool, so easy the way this went together. The instructions are outstanding. Everything is nicely numbered when you put it together. In terms of projects putting these together, not difficult projects. All you need is a screwdriver, and I would recommend a little bit of a mallet. Makes life a little bit easier, but you don't really need it. You don't have to slam anything, but it's just sometimes a little easier. Just tap things, get things to come together. And the end product is ridiculous. I think this looks totally cool. I am so excited to have this as our new studio here. The new lighting's coming. It's still a little blurry right now. Shelves here, definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Cannot go wrong with these shelves. Douglas approved for sure, and he knows. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.